The biggest lie about life insurance returns. This is something that gets under my skin, makes my blood boil. If you're new to the channel, I like to post videos like this. There's just a lot of things I see online that just aren't true, and it needs to be addressed, especially if you're someone who has a life insurance policy, specifically a cash value life insurance policy, or if you're someone who's thinking or looking into getting one. So the biggest lie out there, one of the biggest lies rather, is the returns that you get inside of these policies. And what I'm specifically talking about is, I'll give you an example. You might hear someone say you'll get a 6% return on your policy. What they're leaving out, this is a huge, important detail, is that's not your actual rate of return that you're getting. That's not your, in the life insurance world, we call it your internal rate of return, which is the only number that matters. Your internal rate of return is what you actually earned on your money inside of the policy. So when someone says I got 6% on my growth on my cash value, or I earned 6% interest, they forgot to mention that that's a gross return, and that's before insurance cost comes out, mortality expenses, overall this before cost comes out. That's the gross number. Then after costs come out, then you have your net rate of return, your internal rate of return. That's the only number that matters. So if you're grossing 6, you might be netting 4%, maybe 4.5%. It's different for everyone. But that's the actual number you need to know. So if you're working with someone already, you already have a policy set up, ask your agent, can you show me what the internal rate of return is going to be, or what it is on my policy? That's the only number that matters. Gross returns just sound better. Of course they do. And I made another video actually completely not talking about insurance, but just talking about investments in general, talking about the difference between average and actual rate of returns. Same idea. It's just very misleading. It's good for marketing, but it's not the reality. So if you're someone that's on TikTok or Instagram, YouTube, wherever you're watching this, and you see someone that pops up saying they got 14%, 8%, 6% returns on their life insurance policy, just put a asterisk there, or just realize that that's not what they actually got. It's a gross return that they're referring to, unless they specifically say that was the net rate of return, which I highly doubt it would ever be that high. But just listen for that. Listen for someone talking about the internal rate of return, the net return on their policy. Just take the numbers with a grain of salt. So I hope this video helps. Please leave any comments or questions in the comments below. If you do have any, I'll answer them there. And subscribe or follow if you're new. I put videos out like this every single week, Monday through Friday. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. God bless.